This clock is powered by a Seiko Westminster Chiming movement. The time is adjusted by winding the minute hand forwards or backwards, being careful not to put pressure down or up. If you do end up bending the hands, they can be removed carefully by taking off the center nut, pulling the hands off and straightening them. That can be avoided just by making sure that the pressure is just sideways back and forth. So the Westminster chime chime every 15 minutes, the longest chime sequence being on the hour. It does the full Westminster chime followed by striking the hour. At 1/4 it just does the first section of the chime, then 1/2 getting longer, 1/4 longer again, and then this is the hourly chime. In British summertime, the clocks obviously go forwards and backwards, not a problem. If you're going forwards, just go forward the 1 hour, like so. If it's going backward, I recommend you go backwards 2 hours, then forward the hour to the correct time. The chime sequence might be out of step for the first hour, but then it will resynchronize. Just turn the movement around. This is the Seiko movement. Battery should last over a year. It's removed by taking it out from the top first and put in by putting pressure on the spring on the bottom and then clicking the top in. There's a volume switch here. It's a bit hard to see here. There's also a time adjust dial there, but that doesn't need to be used because you can use the hands on the front. And then behind the speaker, which can be removed by carefully twisting it and pulling it forward, there's a couple of switches. One for AM PM to set the night silent mode. I normally send the watches out, so the clocks out in night silent mode, which means from 11 PM to 6 AM they are silent anyway, but you can override that to put it to 24-hour chiming. And that's it basically. A very reliable, accurate movement with a lovely tone.